Hello friends, so today I am going to start. Last class we have already discussed how to construct a basic dashboard with the shiny. So I am using a programming R language. So let's see, the first I am going to the R clouds, just I am using here. Otherwise you can also download the R studio and we can start here also. So I am using this clouds. So in previous class we have discussed some basic things is the most important if you like to draw a dashboard. So first downloaded shiny and another shiny dashboard and keep the four things like a dashboard page, dashboard header, third dashboard sidebar, dashboard body. So whenever and then we can start server functions input output and then shiny apps UI and servers, right? So already we have discussed these things in previous class. If you don't know, you can watch my previous basic dashboard preparations, right? But today I am going to discuss how to put input value like a dashboard pages, and we want to use the dashboard header. So we need to put some elements in the dashboards. So let's start. First I like to say shiny has been downloaded. I think yeah, it is downloaded, and shiny dashboard both has been already downloaded. And then we will construct these four things. So let's start the dashboard page. So UI, these things is the most important, so I am using again and again. Just previous class we have already discussed. So now dashboard page. Now the dashboard page I have given a brackets and then dashboard header. Header means here write title will equal to title with title. So we need to the title will equal to, we can write here string basic dashboard. Basic dashboard. Yes. Right. So I have written here header. Second, I am going to use dashboard body. So dashboard sidebar we will use later, but now I am going to use the some input value in dashboard body. So dashboard body has been given. So we will start first fluid rows, because dashboard body is divided into the rows and columns. So first I start with rows. So I write here fluid rows. So look here, fluid page and fluid rows. So fluid rows, and fluid rows need to create a box. So let's say box here, and need to the output here. So box has been created and plot output. So box right here, plot output. look here, plot output is given here, so we can write here plot output. So plot output need to the some input value, means like a plot like a plot, and otherwise you can also write this one, plot 1 and something, and then height means it is possible, so need to the height we can take GST height will equal to 250 250. Okay. So then you can construct the other like this one, just a second box we can look here, can put here, and then we can construct the another box. So box again, yes, and then again start here in brackets, and now need to the right here title equal to control equal to controls, right? And now we need to create a slider input, so we can write here slider input control, and then write the slider input. Otherwise you can stop here, no problem. So but if you need to slider input, so put here the slider input and something. So let's see first, and now I want to see what happened in this functions. So now I would like to work here from here, and it has been seen. This is the way we can see your dashboard has been ready, and you look here first box, and there you can see the control sections, and similarly we have given a name, the basic dashboard. So look at basic dashboard. Okay, now so many values you can put, and we can create different types of the control volume. So I will try next class just how to create a simple and this type of the dashboard, and we can use these things, right? Thank you.